Hello everyone, welcome to Global Vibes channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic that everyone should know about: how to handle wireless network issues. Even if you're not a network engineer, you can solve these problems yourself with some simple skills and no need to call anyone. Let's get started. Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe, comment, and hit the like button. The first thing you need to do is check if your laptop or desktop has an internet connection. You might be wondering how to do that. It's simple. On Windows, open Command Prompt, CMD, and type IP protocol configuration, then press Enter. On Linux, type ifconfig and hit Enter. If you find an IP address starting with numbers like 169.254.171.174, that's not your proper IP address. It means you don't have an internet connection. To fix this, go to the network icon in the bottom right corner, right-click, and navigate to Diagnose Network Problems. If that doesn't work, try restarting the network adapter. If the problem persists, right-click the network icon again and choose Network and Internet Settings. Here's what you need to do: change your IP address from dynamic to static. Navigate to Advanced Network Settings, click on Wi-Fi, then go to More Adapter Options, and click on Edit. Next, navigate to Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and click on Properties. Now, this is where you'll set your IP address. To find the right IP address, you need to know the class of the Wi-Fi network you're connected to. Most public Wi-Fi networks use Class C, meaning the IP address usually starts with 192. To set your static IP, ask someone else on the same network for their IP address, copy the first 3 octets, and change the last octet to a random number between 1 and 254, but avoid using 0 or 255. The subnet mask will automatically fill in. Just click in the box. For the default gateway, check with your friend or another connected person and copy their gateway address, as it remains the same for all devices on the network. For DNS, domain name server, you can use Google's public DNS, either 8.8.8.8 or 8.8.4.4. Once you've entered all the details, click OK and close the tabs. Wait a few seconds for the network to reconnect. Now you're all set. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends.